gonna teach you is like nothing you've seen before. It's totally different and cool. It's an A-rank jutsu, and it's seriously hard to master. This is a super advanced ninjutsu that combines chakra rotation, power, and containment. It's called Rasengan!
So awesome!
Don't you worry about that, because I'm gonna teach you Konohamaru, and you can do this jutsu even if you're stupid.
No kidding?
First, we need a water balloon.
A water balloon.
You just got it, and then you bam it! Simple, right? Okay, do your best, Konohamaru.